Hey friends, if you wish to know how much a Windows 11 license costs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. So, if you are looking forward towards a retail license, to download it to your system and then create a USB drive and all, then it will cost you $139 for a retail license. This retail license will be valid till the end of support of Windows 11, and it can be used on different computers. For example, if you wish to change your computer and shift to a different computer, you can shift it. But if you're looking forward towards retaining the same computer, then here's my advice. I think that you should buy a computer which has an OEM Windows 11 key, and it would be a much cheaper option. So in this case, Windows 11 will be integrated with your computer or your laptop, and you will not be able to use the same license on a different computer. So you can choose it wisely. I prefer to buy a laptop, it's much cheaper that way. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.